Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Car Update 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door emerges as a formidable contender in the off-road SUV segment, blending rugged capability with enhanced practicality. Building upon its legacy, this iteration introduces a 5-door configuration, catering to enthusiasts seeking both adventure and everyday usability. Under the hood, the Gurkha houses a 2.6-liter FM 2.6 CRCD diesel engine, delivering 138.08 bhp at 3,200 revolutions per minute and a robust torque of 320 Nm between 1,400 to 2,600 revolutions per minute. This powertrain, coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensures a responsive driving experience across diverse terrains. The inclusion of a turbocharger enhances performance, making it adept at tackling challenging off-road conditions. Dimensionally, the Gurkha 5-door measures 4,390 mm in length, 1,865 mm in width, and stands tall at 2,095 mm, with a wheelbase of 2,825 mm. These proportions not only contribute to its commanding road presence but also provide ample interior space. The ground clearance of 233 mm further accentuates its off-road prowess, allowing it to navigate uneven terrains with ease. The exterior design retains its iconic boxy silhouette, reminiscent of classic off-roaders. The full metal body structure underscores durability, while the LED Pro Edge headlamps with integrated DRLs enhance visibility during night drives. The vehicle's robust build quality is evident, reflecting its readiness for rugged adventures. Inside, the Gurkha offers a utilitarian yet functional cabin. The seating capacity accommodates 7 passengers, arranged in a 2+3+2 configuration. The driver and front passenger seats provide a commanding view of the road, enhancing driving confidence. However, the middle bench's legroom is somewhat limited, and the absence of a headrest for the middle passenger is noticeable. The third-row seats are best suited for shorter journeys or smaller occupants. Comfort features include power steering, front power windows, and a manual air conditioning system. While the AC is notably effective, the lack of automatic climate control is a missed opportunity. The infotainment system comprises a touchscreen interface with Bluetooth connectivity, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Safety is a paramount consideration in the Gurkha. It comes equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and a crash-compliant metal body structure. Additional safety features include impact sensing auto door unlock, hill assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system, collectively enhancing occupant protection. The Gurkha's off-road capabilities are bolstered by its 4WD system, featuring conveniently located 4x4 high and 4x4 low levers in the central console. Mechanically actuated differential locks on both axles provide superior traction on challenging terrains. Its water-wading capacity stands at an impressive 700 mm, allowing it to traverse waterlogged paths confidently. On-road performance is characterized by a smooth and stable ride, thanks to its ladder-type CNC chassis. The suspension setup, comprising an independent double wishbone at the front and a multi-link with panhard rod at the rear, effectively absorbs road imperfections. However, the vehicle's tall stance and boxy design contribute to noticeable body roll during sharp turns. Fuel efficiency is rated at approximately 9.5 kmpl in city conditions, with potential improvements on highways. The 63.5-liter fuel tank capacity ensures extended driving ranges, reducing the frequency of refueling stops during long journeys. In terms of practicality, the Gurkha offers limited boot space when all seats are occupied. Folding the third row seats expands the cargo area, accommodating larger luggage items. However, the absence of the dedicated boot space in the standard configuration may pose challenges for families requiring substantial storage capacity. The vehicle rides on 255/65R18 tires, providing a balance between on-road comfort and off-road grip. Alloy wheels enhance the aesthetic appeal, while the full-size spare wheel mounted on the rear door ensures preparedness for unforeseen punctures during expeditions. User reviews highlight the Gurkha's exceptional off-road performance and robust build quality. Owners appreciate its commanding presence and the confidence it instills during adventurous drives. However, feedback also points to areas needing improvement, such as cabin refinement and the inclusion of more modern amenities to enhance overall comfort. Comparatively, the Gurkha positions itself as a niche offering, catering to a specific audience seeking uncompromised off-road capabilities. While competitors like the Mahindra Thar and Maruti Suzuki Jimny offer similar attributes, the Gurkha's unique combination of a 5-door layout and mechanical differential lock sets it apart. Its pricing, starting at approximately a superscript 118 lakh, reflects its specialized nature and the value it offers to off-road enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2025 Force Gurkha 5-door stands as a testament to rugged engineering and off-road excellence. Its enhancements over previous iterations, particularly the addition of rear doors, broaden its appeal without compromising its core identity. While it may not cater to the average urban commuter, for those seeking a dependable and capable off-road companion, the Gurkha presents a compelling choice.